The gaming sector isn't exactly uncharted territory for Sony, and the company's new gaming lineup, dubbed Inzone, ushers in a new class of hardware dedicated to PC and PS5 users. But is it better than the Corsair Virtuoso? Let's find out. Just look at its awesome design. It has a two-tone finish with a frosted white shell. The classic Sony white certainly plays well with the PS5 colorway. After a closer inspection, you'll notice some design elements from the WH-1000XM5. From the height adjustment slider to the soft touch leather ear cups, Sony took what's worked before and applied it to this gaming headphone. The H9 has a plastic shell that's lightweight and sustainable. However, in comparison with the hefty price tag, it lacks a premium essence. These headphones don't even have water and dust resistant certifications, so we'd advise users to stay cautious near snacks and drinks. The H9 is flexible enough to fit a variety of head shapes and sizes. Plus, the cushioned headband and ear pads would allow gamers to comfortably keep on playing for hours on end. You'll also be glad to know that the white finish makes scratches barely noticeable, and the ear cup cushions will remain springy for a long time. With Sony's expertise in music headphones, they have designed the H9 to reproduce excellent high-frequency sound as well as superb low frequencies. The best way to describe its sound quality is rich and multi-dimensional. Why? Because it features 360 spatial sounds so the players can take quick in-game actions with precise target detection. It has a high-fidelity diaphragm and ducts that help produce powerful bass. So now, users can stay fully immersed while leading the team to victory. Moreover, the digital noise-cancelling features keeps out the distracting sounds with the same dual noise sensor technology used in Sony's class-leading 1000X series headphones. Also similar to the 1000X series, this gaming headphone has an ambient sound mode that will enable you to play games while still being able to hear important sounds around you. There's a flexible flip-up boom microphone to communicate effortlessly with squad members. But unfortunately, it's not detachable, and the voice pickup quality slightly falls behind the likes of Corsair Virtuoso. Now for connection, users can either use the 2.4 GHz USB dongle or simply connect it to the device via Bluetooth. Besides using physical buttons to tweak its settings, the H9 can also be modified via Sony's Inzone Hub, a companion app that will allow gamers to fine-tune the equalizer, noise-cancelling modes, and more. This spectacular gaming headset has a runtime of around 32 hours, which is far better than Virtuoso's 20 hours battery life. The high-end H9 is pricey at around $300, but if you want to skimp a little, you can go with the Corsair Virtuoso for $210, which comes with a slightly larger driver unit and a better detachable mic. The benchmark has been set high by the Corsair Virtuoso, but the new Inzone H9 from Sony is still a formidable contender that has a better battery life and noise cancellation. It borrows the best features from its sibling, the WH-1000XM5, to create an ideal gaming companion. So that concludes our review of the Sony Inzone H9. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.